うわ、やすし。俺も今までできたことねえよ。まるで唯一できるやつは何言ってもさっぱりだしな。
こいつハイになってる。
だが死に際で掴んだ重力の確信。お前の敗因は俺を首ちょんぱしなかったことと、頭をぶっ刺すのにあの呪具を使わなかったこと。
敗因
How to upscale anime to 4K. First, head over to the AVCLabs official site and download the Video Enhancer AI tool. Once the installation done, open it and import your anime clip. Now choose your output preset. You can even preview a few frames before exporting to see the difference. When it's ready, click Start Processing. And so if you're into restoring classic anime or just want the best possible viewing experience, give AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI a try. Links are in the description. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time!